I am so excited about today's launch party for the fact that we get to bring an in real life version of this fun and colorful collection. We get to celebrate creativity, create connections.
But also we have such a great give back where 7% of all sales are going to Shriners Hospitals for children.
I was greeted by the plethora of colors, and I knew it would be like super colorful.
Also the festivities, I loved looking around it. I wanted to take so many different pictures. The food is so good and it was such a beautiful, beautiful event.
We get to bring the community together to celebrate, to show off our amazing collection, but also to have fun.
I would describe the Joy from Mixbook collection as fun.
And it's happy, joyful,
Creative,
colorful, adventurous,
and nostalgic.
It's been so fun working with the Mixbook team on this collaboration to bring joy and fun to these photo albums.